Now we're doing this Volkswagen Atlas. Now here you can create an angle if you want. Normal angle. Now, if you want to finish this guy over here, you can, or this way over there. So I think more easy for us will be finish this guy here, just with position here, straight. This one, straight. This technique works only when easy. When it's harder, you have to go crossing the line. And that's it, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much. So see you next time, because we're busy. Okay, thanks so much.